Poem Bars by Keki in Daruwala. First, we'll deal with the explanation of the poem Bars. If you want a cage, my dear, you do not have to travel far. If you want to feel hemmed in, you'll be hemmed in. Look for scars. You'll be full of scars. Even light can turn into a cage. The cage of light has 7 bars. Now, this is a poem, a short piece of a poem by Keki in Daruwala. He's trying to tell us that when we want a cage, or when we want to enclose ourselves, or we want bondages, we want restrictions, then you don't really have to go far away or travel far away to get those bondages or cage. If you want to feel hemmed in, you want to feel stitched up, then you'll be hemmed in. You can, to get that feeling of being bound, caged, or hemmed, or restricted, you just look into your own scars. Scars here mean the problems, the troubles, the wounds a person has, ups and downs the person has in their lives. So if we start looking at our problems, we can count n number of, that means infinite number of problems in our lives. If you start looking for troubles in your own life, you'll find that everything is a problem. That is how our perception would be. In fact, even in light where there is brightness, there are good things. Even then, we could be in that same feeling of not having anything, having problems. Like that will be the perception of a person. If a person starts becoming negative, thinks negative, then even the good things look bad to him, or he will even count them as a curse, a scar, a problem, a trouble in their lives. And the cage of light has 7 bars. That means he says that the different 7 colors, the 7 colors that make the white light, he says that the cage of light also has got 7 colors. So there are different type of problems in that, these different colors, dimensions of problems. So this poem, or this piece of the poem, just tries to tell us that it is up to you how you perceive a situation, how you perceive your life. You can even count the little things in your life as blessings and be happy about it, or the bigger blessings also you may count as just not be happy or content, and just be unhappy and just be only thinking of the negative. So that is the bars in our lives which we need to break free rather than cage ourselves into. Now the question answers. The first question: explain the statement that you need not travel far to feel encaged. Answer: the poet in these lines is trying to say that if a person wants to feel encaged, meaning if one wants to restrict oneself or deprive oneself, stop oneself from liberty and freedom, one does not need to go out and travel to far off places. You can find these bondages within yourself. Second question: what does the poet think about feeling hemmed in? Answer: feeling hemmed or feeling stitched up is when one is hurt or broken. Then, no matter how much one tries to mend things or heal, some scars or marks of the hurt remains always. Question 3. How can one be full of scars if one simply looks for them? Answer: All of us in life face problems, difficulties, hurts, and sorrows. Till the time we don't make an effort to heal ourselves of them and move on in life, we will be full of scars. The reference to context: even light can turn into a cage. A part of the question: what does a cage of light signify? Answer: a cage of light signifies the lack of contentment in a person. Every person has problems and hurts in life. We all are not perfect. Our lives are not perfect. We may not have everything that we wish for. But that doesn't mean that we should ignore the things we have, the blessings we have. We should count our blessings, because if we don't, then even the little we have or whatever we have will mean nothing to us, and we will not be able to enjoy those things in life. We will not be able to appreciate what we have. B part: how many bars does the cage of light have? Why? Answer: the cage of light has 7 bars because light is made up of 7 colors. That is the Vibgyor. Vibgyor is the name of the colors, the short form or the abbreviation of the name of the colors of light.